once again. This is Kingdom Forex Academy XAU USD analysis, and this is the third week of January 2024. And looking back from the start of this year, we've made quite a lot of money. We've made quite a lot, and that is what KFA is here for. We are here to give you top-notch analysis that is going to fetch you money in dollars to fund your life, fund your career, basically enjoy yourself. Money must be made. And from our last week's analysis, I think we analyzed gold to sell, and I think that is from this candlestick right here. This is the Monday candlestick, as you can see, Monday 8th of January 2024. And from this candlestick we analyzed gold to sell, and we made a lot. It is looking like it's small because I'm on a 4-hour time frame. If we should go to a 1-hour time frame, here is the candlestick. I think, okay, right here, can you see? This is from here, from somewhere around here to this zone. So from this trade we made almost $10,000, and I used 5 lot size, and that's a lot actually. I could have made more, but I exited the trade around this level right here. I didn't wait for this rest. This happened later, which was on, I think, Thursday, or I think it should be around Thursday. So we made a lot from this analysis. I told you XAUUSD is selling, and you can see what happened, guys. It sold, and that is one of the reasons why you should stick with KFA, because we will be giving you top-notch analysis. Our analysis don't miss. Okay, let's go into this week's analysis. XAUUSD once again. Okay, from what we can see on our screen, we can see that after gold got to this mark, it bounced back, and it broke through this. I just drew this trend line. As you know, it was not there last week. I just drew this trend line. So, and the reason behind drawing the trend line is that I observed that the market is forming a pattern right here. You can see market touch this level here, touch this level here, touch this level here, touch this level right here. So my analysis for gold is, for gold to have made a pullback from the sell, it means gold is trying to test this zone again. As you can see, immediately gold broke through this level right here. It came back to test this zone again before it came down, and it has been ranging in between these lines. It has been ranging. That should be for almost like November. Yeah, can you see? Before it made this higher high, then came back to this zone again and started, parabolating. So that means gold is like, it's trying to test, am I ready to move out of this zone? And it tested this line again. Now, this is the analysis. Pay attention, guys. If gold, because this green candlestick is going up, if gold breaks through this line right here, breaks through this zone to the upside, then we will be looking to buy. But market will surely react to this level. Can you see this level? That is why I put a trend line right there. Market will surely react to that level. And see, for market to have reacted to this level, This is December, 4th of December. Market reacted to this level and came back down. It tried it again at this level, this December again, 28th, and came back down. It is going to retest that level again. Now it is going to retest it only if the market breaks through this line. Now immediately the market breaks through this line, you can go for a buy. Let me see. As you can see, this is actually a very good buy. You can see it. This is about 20 plus pips, maybe around 25 pips or so. So you can go for a buy. It's a great buy. And place a nice lot size and all. You should be able to hit the jackpot, guys. That is, make some money. On a 1 hour time frame, though, there are some levels in between, but I don't think that should be an issue, because market will surely do what it wants to do. So let's continue, guys. So as I said, market will surely do what it wants to do. So don't forget the analysis. If it breaks through this zone to the upside, we are going for a buy. Now I will only enter into a buy once market breaks out of this second line. Why? It means that market is now ready to move to this previous high, and if it should break out of this line, don't forget what I'm saying, keep it in mind. Markets will break through this line, but it will react on this line. There will be some pullback and stuff on this line, on this zone right here, on this area. But if markets manage to break out of this zone, what we will basically do is we will enter into a buy. We will enter into a buy, and our take profit is going to be here. Market is moving straight here. Now the only thing that will make me do otherwise is if market gets to this zone and reverses, then and only then will I go for a sell. If market gets to this zone and bounces back, I'll place a sell and ride the market back down to this zone again. I always tell you guys, my analysis is always plan for countermeasures. I told you I'm going to go for a buy, and I only go for a sell, and I place the reason. If market gets to this level 2087.907 and bounces back, then I will go for a sell. So thank you all for your time. I hope you make some money from this analysis, because I'm definitely placing this trade. Stick to your chart. Once all this, draw these levels out on your chart. Once you see that market is already going in our favor, place your buy or your sell as you see fit. Your take profit, your stop loss should be set, and don't forget to use your position calculator. Don't forget, you don't want to use a higher lot size or a lower lot size than. Just put a moderate and normal lot size for that account. You don't want to blow your account, guys. You don't want to blow your account. So thank you guys, that will be all for now. I will be seeing you in our next analysis video. Guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, click that subscribe button and the like button. Like this video, and you can also share this video to your fellow traders. Let them get to enjoy this profit journey with us. And also you can click that notification button also, so you'll be one of the first people to get notified once an analysis video is posted on this channel. You don't want to lose out on any trade, guys. You don't want to lose out on any profit. Click those buttons, and thank you. I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.